As we get older, inflammation can really slow us down and make daily life a struggle. But what if I told you there's a simple and natural way to tackle this common issue that many seniors overlook? Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory ingredient that's been used for centuries, and it's especially beneficial for seniors. It's a natural way to reduce pain and swelling, and it can even help with some of the most common health issues that come with aging. One of the best things about ginger is that it's easy to incorporate into your daily life. You can add it to your meals, make a tea out of it, or even take it as a supplement. And the best part is, it's been shown to be really effective in reducing inflammation. Inflammation can be a major problem for seniors. As we age, our bodies naturally produce more inflammatory chemicals, which can lead to a range of issues like arthritis, chronic pain, and even some types of dementia. These conditions can make everyday activities feel like a chore, and they can really impact our quality of life. For example, arthritis is a major problem for many seniors. It's a condition that causes pain and stiffness in the joints, making it hard to move around and do the things we love. And chronic pain is another common issue, which can make it difficult to sleep, eat, and even enjoy time with loved ones. Inflammation can also affect our mental health. When we're in pain or discomfort, it can be hard to feel happy or relaxed. And over time, chronic inflammation can even lead to depression and anxiety. The good news is that there are natural ways to manage inflammation, and ginger is one of the most effective. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you can start to feel the benefits of reduced inflammation. But how does ginger actually work? Well, it's all about the compounds inside it, like gingerol. These compounds have a powerful anti-inflammatory effect, which can help to reduce pain and swelling in the body. When we eat ginger, the compounds in it interact with our body's cells, helping to calm down the inflammatory response. It's a really gentle and natural way to manage inflammation, and it's been shown to be really effective. One of the most compelling things about ginger is the way it can impact seniors' lives. Take, for example, a senior who's struggling with arthritis. They might find that after adding ginger to their meals, they're able to move around more easily and with less pain. Or they might find that they're sleeping better and feeling more energized. The science behind ginger's anti-inflammatory effects is really fascinating. Studies have shown that ginger can inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, which can help to reduce pain and swelling. Ginger has even been shown to be as effective as some prescription medications in reducing inflammation. And unlike those medications, ginger is a natural and gentle way to manage inflammation. I've heard from so many seniors who found relief from inflammation after trying ginger. One woman I spoke to found that ginger tea helped her to manage her arthritis pain, and she was able to start enjoying activities she loved again. Another senior I spoke to found that adding ginger to his meals helped him to sleep better and feel more energized. He was amazed at how such a simple change could make such a big difference. So, what can you do to start experiencing the benefits of ginger for yourself? You can try adding it to your meals, making a tea out of it, or taking it as a supplement. The key is to find a way to make ginger a part of your daily routine. And with a little creativity, it's easy to do. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you can start to feel the benefits of reduced inflammation. And as a senior, that's especially important. So I encourage you to give ginger a try. Leave a comment below and let me know about your experiences with ginger. And be sure to check out my other videos on natural remedies for seniors. Thanks for watching.